How to be able to find specific user or content on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to resolve a problem of find some users or content on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application, go to your profile, click on those three buttons up there, click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down, click on report a problem. Wait a minute and scroll down. Click on search share feed and click on search. Now click on enable to find specific user or content. So now TikTok team will give you some advices, which is the first one, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. The second, clear up video cache. The third, restart the app and your device. And the last one, which is make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. If this is not working, all you need to do is click on no and take a screenshot of the user or of the content you want and send them a screenshot and write your feedback, which is I can't find this user or something like this, and click on report. Your problem would be resolved on at least 24 hours. And this is, guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.